Before we dive into smart contracts, let's have a short recap. And in that short recap, I just want to high level refresh you on everything we've discussed so far because it's all very high level, right? We've spoken about NFTs and how NFTs, the non-fungible token aspect, are the concept of ownership of this non-fungible asset, right? And ownership is defined by the ability to transact, liquidity, transferability, indivisibility, like it's unique. That's powered by blockchain technology. So we said, okay, we have this NFT thing, this concept. This concept can be powered by blockchain because blockchain is inherently immutable. It's decentralized data storage. Sweet. So now we're getting to the crux of the implementation detail, right? We're getting to Ethereum. Ethereum powers NFTs. How does Ethereum power NFTs? Well, Ethereum is a blockchain technology. Ethereum enables you to deploy code onto the Ethereum network. Ethereum is much more than just a simple coin that appreciates in value. No, it allows you to freely transact. They've built all these standards on top of it. It is a vast, vast ecosystem. And like I said before, there's a lot you could learn just about Ethereum. You could have a whole course on it because it's so vast. We're trying to single in on what aspect of Ethereum helps us achieve NFTs. Well, there's this concept in Ethereum called smart contracts. Smart contracts are no more than pieces of code that you deploy onto Ethereum. And then by deploying them onto Ethereum, they now become their own entity, so to speak. Okay, so let's dive a bit deeper into that. What is a smart contract on the Ethereum network? And Ethereum is powering the majority of this concept of a smart contract. There are other networks trying to achieve similar things again. A smart contract is a type of Ethereum account. Okay. So in the concept, we know of blockchain with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everyone holds a wallet, right? Everyone has this wallet and it can hold coins. Well, a smart contract is no more than a wallet itself, right? It can hold things. But users can interact with it. Okay. Users can interact with a smart contract. So it's an account, it can hold things. Users can interact with it. Think of it like a vending machine. You give it money, it gives you something back. All right. But smart contracts, well, they can define rules and enforce them via code. So when you interact with it, it can have a rule set. You can only get something from me if you adhere to the rules that I have pre-programmed in my code. It would be the same concept as a human telling you, I'll give you this if you give me this much Ethereum. But it's automated now. There's no more transactability. A smart contract basically enforces the moment you give it something, it's going to give you something back because it is the account itself. It holds the actual value itself. So it is more than just a bit of code that runs on Ethereum. It can be its own entity. And with that comes drawbacks, right? Like what you program in the smart contract and what you put on the Ethereum network. Well, you don't want to put bugs in that now, do you? But in essence, these smart contracts allow us to enforce and create these transactable events, right? And a smart contract being just the concept of the code that can be on the Ethereum blockchain that can be transactable. That is where the power lies. And so understanding what a smart contract is makes us able to look a bit closer at, well, how would we program these smart contracts to hold digital art, right? And that's what we're getting at here is, what do I need to do for an NFT in the form of digital art on a smart contract to deploy to the Ethereum network? And we're starting to come full circle here. And so let's look a bit closer at what type of smart contracts are necessary for NFTs.